Hey everybody, it's Sharice. I am back this morning. I'm gonna make some Jiffy corn muffin pancakes. So it all started because my 7-year-old wanted to eat pancakes this morning, and I, did not have enough flour, so I did have enough to mix it with the Jiffy. So I'm gonna pour in the remaining of my flour, which is about a cup, which is what the recipe calls for. And I'm going to also add in 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. Now, granted, I have never made this recipe before, so this is a first. We will be trying it together. And I'm going to have Ava, she's going to add in my buttermilk mixture, which is 1 cup of milk, non-dairy milk, mixed in with a teaspoon or a little bit more of the apple cider vinegar. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and we're doing 2 flax eggs, which, let me see that. The 2 flax eggs are just water and flax meal combined. This is going to be our binding agent. We're adding in a tablespoon of sugar, and I'm just going to pour in a little bit of vanilla. And so we're gonna go ahead and mix this up.
Oops.
This is what it looks like. It comes out pretty thick. Some people cannot use flax seeds. So what I have found is that using applesauce can yield a binding agent as well. But I'm following a basic recipe, just tweaking it a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and start cooking these. All right, I'm gonna take my scooper that I use to scoop out my cookies, and I'm just gonna scoop this into the pan. I just used spray pan, or pan spray is it. So we're gonna just cook these and see how they turn out. So the first 2 are done. Clearly, like I said, if you use the flax egg, you're going to see the flaxseed in it. They did brown nicely. They are pretty thick. So I'm interested in finding out how they taste.
Okay, so with the pancakes. So I didn't know what they were made out of at first. I didn't realize they were made out of Jiffy. I couldn't really taste the Jiffy mix in it. It tasted more wheaty, which isn't bad, but again, the taste of wheat is pretty distinctive. So they were cool. I just thought it would have had more of a Jiffy flavor to it, because I love me some Jiffy. But other than that, if you guys try it out, please leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about it. Don't just take my word for it. As always, we thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, smash up the likes, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we drop new content. All right. Thanks again. God bless.